This tweet is called No Revoke by STEM Grade, and this tweak is used to stop the expiration of approved applications. No revoke is no need. You don't need to trust the profile. No 7-day limit. Supports iOS 10 to 13. Also might support iOS 14. It's called Lib Miro Prefs and Share Library for Mirror's tweets. It's called Blaze iOS 14. Colorful animated music backgrounds. It's called Reduced Motion Flip Switch. Flip switch toggle for reduced motion. And reduced motion flip switch. It's called Assistive Touch Flip Switch. Flip switch toggle for assistive touch. Alright, so I'll mention 2 tweets, guys. One tweak is called SHD. This is the SH blob saving daemon. After installing, it will automatically save your SH blobs in the background. Your SH blobs in the background. This is called Checkra1n. Check, and then no spaces, the number 4, and then round. And that tweak will actually add a passcode to your device, so it's kind of like an alternative to like Checkra1n, the jailbreak. If you can't add the passcode, this is like a tweak you can add like a passcode to your device. Pretty cool. I might make like a separate video on that. Next week's called BH Twitter and down videos, even if private, from Twitter. She's called Zoom Touch Flip Switch toggle for Zoom Touch. Got Omni, a tweet to make the official Reddit app better. Voiceover Flip Switch toggle for voiceover. Next week is called NP Color, no spaces. It's an alternative to Color Flow 5. Translamatic, quickly translate any text. PoJab optimized and can slow and alter device anywhere from 1 to 8 frames per second in detailed and complicated world. She's called I am lazy, easy backup and restore your tweets. Got app data and view and access the data of your app by either swiping up an icon or from the Force Touch menu. Got app hider, and you can hide your apps from your springboard. So people don't know what apps you have. It's great if you want to hide Cydia from the Apple knowing they were jailbroken. I'm not, most Apple probably wouldn't care, I would say, or some of them might not care. It depends what they're doing. It just fits in your device. You know, like if they're doing like repairs on your device, I don't think they even go into your device. When they might, but you can just put Cydia in a folder or something. And even if they do see it, I'm not sure if they even care. You might have some Apple employees that are against it, but some of them might just like it, you know, or not even care. Because if it doesn't affect this, I mean, yeah, so it depends on the Apple employee, to be honest with you. You also like hide, like, I don't know, if you have embarrassing apps, like maybe you have a dating app or something you want to hide, you know, you use that for whatever you want. Hide basically any app. Called Flip Switch darken colors or increase contrast. Flip Switch toggle for darken colors. iOS 7.1 to iOS 12, increase contrast. iOS 13 up. Called iWall and compatible iOS 13 to 14. It's called Fleeter, improve your Twitter fleets. It's called Reduce Transparency Flip Switch toggle to reduce transparency. Raise the wake Flip Switch toggle to raise the wake. Called Predictive Keyboard, add predictive to unsupported languages. Called Keyboard Flip Switches, requires iOS 5 or later. Flip Switch toggle for keyboard settings. Change file with buttons Flip Switch. Flip Switch for volume change with buttons. Called Camera Grids Flip Switch toggle for camera grid. Background app refresh Flip Switch toggle for background app refresh. Reduce motion Flip Switch toggle for reduce motion. Called Boardy, and the tool allows you to seamlessly sync your clipboard with PC. You can sync text between PC and the iPhone. Copy image from the iPhone to the PC. Sonos 13 and Sonos 12 are now available for free. So guys, pick it up while it's still free. It's a highly customizable volume HUD. So choose called Screenshot X. It allows you to place screenshots inside a phone frame. iOS 9 to 14. Called Dawn Touch and protect application launch. It's called Don't Off. Don't Off will allow you to block power off. Face ID or Touch ID doesn't. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.